Hi friends, it is Friday and we are going to dive into our math for today. I would like you to get out your packet and turn to the math section of that packet, and you will be turning to the page that looks like this. It's week 1, day 5. Week 1, day 5. You'll see some insects on the page. You'll see this addition table on the page. Week 1, day 5. All right, we are going to get started by looking at this table that they made for us of insects. It looks like they counted how many insects there were in a certain area. There were 4 two-spotted ladybugs. So how many two-spotted ladybugs were there? There were 4. There were 10 two-winged flies, so there were 10 of these two-winged flies. There were 6 of these two-spotted ladybugs, and there were 22 winged flies. Okay, let's answer the first question based off of the picture. If there were 4 of these two-spotted ladybugs, how many spots were there in all? Well, it helps me to draw a picture. So I went ahead and I drew just what they told me to. They said that there were 4 two-spotted ladybugs. So I drew 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I drew 4 two-spotted ladybugs. Now I need to figure out just how many ladybugs there were. Not how many ladybugs there were, how many spots there were. So I see 2 spots right here. I see 2 spots right here. I see 2 spots right here, 2 and 2. So if I add those together, 2 plus 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. So if I have 4 spots up here and 4 spots down here, I have 8 spots all together. 2, 4, 6, 8. So I'm going to go back to my worksheet. How many spots were there in all? There were, let's see if I can get my pencil here. There were 8 spots in all. All right, next question. All right, our next question asks, there are 10, just a second, let me get that out of there. Okay, there are 10 two-winged flies. Okay, so I went ahead and drew a picture. I drew 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I drew the 10 two-winged flies that they were just talking about. Do you see how I made sure to have 2 wings on each of my flies? We have to decide how many total wings are there. Well, if we add up all the wings, we've got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So I counted by 2s because I thought that was easiest since each fly has 2 wings, but you could have went 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I go back to my worksheet, how many wings do they have in all? They had 20 wings in all. And it is not cooperating with me. Just a second. Okay, so I had 20 wings in all. Now we need to look at 6 two-spotted ladybugs. Well, you're in luck because I went ahead to make it easier for us and drew 6 two-spotted ladybugs. How many total spots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I could also count much more efficiently or quickly by counting by 2s. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. So On our 6 two-spotted ladybugs, we had 12 total spots. Lastly, we've got 20 two-winged flies. Okay, I went ahead and drew out 20 flies. We have to count how many wings there are total. Well, that's easy because each fly has 2 wings. I'm just going to go ahead and count by twos. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So I went ahead and started counting by ones at the very bottom. So out of all of these 22 winged flies, if I counted up all the wings, I would end up with 40 wings. So sometimes when you have math problems, I find it easiest to go ahead and draw pictures like I did to help you solve the problem. All right, the next one I also drew a picture for. It says, Mark has 3 dogs, 5 cats, and 8 fish. How many pets does he have in all? Show your work. So I went ahead and drew a picture to show you all of Mark's animals. He has 3 dogs, 5 cats, and 8 fish. How many does he have in all? Well, if I made this into a number sentence, it would be 3 dogs plus 5 cats plus 8 fish equals blank. Okay. I could also draw a picture like the one that I just did and add up all the animals that I see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So, how many animals does Mark have altogether? He has 16 animals. So I'm going to go back onto my worksheet and write in 16 pets. He has 16 pets. All right. The last thing that we're going to do today is to fill in our addition table. We do that by starting on the outside. We're going to take this 1 plus this 2 up at the top. When I add 1 plus 2, okay, I'm adding the 2 numbers that are closest to each other. 1 from this side and 1 number from this side. When I add 2 plus 1, I get 3. When I add 2 from this side plus 3 from this side, oh, actually, before I do that, when I add 2 from this side plus 2 from this side, I get 4. When I add 3 plus 2, I get 3, 4, 5, 5. When I add this 4 plus 2, 4, 5, 6, I get 6. When I add 5 plus 2, 5, 6, 7, I get 7. When I add 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, I get 9. When I add, let's go up to the next one, and when I add 1 plus 3, okay, so now I'm taking this number right here and I'm plussing it with this number. When I add 1 plus 3, I get 4. When I add 2 plus 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, I get 5. When I add 3 from up top plus 3 from the side, I get 6. When I add 3 from the top plus 4 from the side, 4, 5, 6, 7, I get 7. When I add 5 from the side plus 3 from the top, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's where they got that 8 from. When I add 6 plus 3, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you might be starting to see a little pattern forming here. Going this way. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Wait. Whoops. I'm glad I looked at that again because when I added 6 plus 2, I should have said that that was 8. Let me go back and fix that. A good thing to double check my answers. Okay, I'm going to do one more row and column with you so you get the idea, and you can do the last 3 independently. Now we're ready to take 1 plus 4. 1 plus 4 is 5. 4 plus 2 is 6. That's where they got that 6 from. 4 plus 3 is 4, 5, 6, 7. Do you see how I'm taking the number at the top and the number at the side, and then I'm going meeting them in the middle, right in the middle? Okay, I've got 4 plus 4 over here, and I know that that's 8. I have 4 plus 5. Okay, when I add 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 5 plus 4 is 9. And the last one we'll do together, 6 plus 4 is 10. 6 plus 4 is 10. So you'll need to finish the rest of our addition table by starting with 5 plus 1, and that's going to give you 6. Okay, then go down to the next one. 5 plus 2, write that answer right here. 5 plus 3, write that answer right here. 5 plus 4, that answer goes right here all the way until you've completed the whole chart. All right, that wraps it up for this week's math, and I will see you here next week.